Hello. This is a situation that I find a lot that happens. I would like to call it the 3-2-2 theorem. Let's get into the scenario. Now, let's say there's a total of 5 people, and you all have something to do. These boxes represent whatever you're going to do, and it's a line sort of thing. So this guy does his thing, goes to the end. This guy does his thing, goes to the end. This guy does his thing. Now, if you have 5 people and you're allowed to switch lines, this is the problem that presents for the last guy, most likely. Now, let's switch to the overall happiness display. This group, they have to wait for 2 people each, right? This guy goes, and this guy goes, then he gets to go. All right? He goes, and then so he had to wait 1 person there. He goes to the end, has to wait for 2 people. All right? They're kind of indifferent. These guys, they only have to wait for 1 person. This guy goes to the end. This guy goes to the end. He gets to go again. All right? They're pretty happy with where they are, seeing how long the other line is. So let's present a variable. Let's say this guy decides to switch. So now these 2 guys have to wait only 1 person. But these guys, now having this variable introduced, or this other person, they now have to wait 2 people. They are the second group. Now, right, imagine seeing like how perfect it was before, and then seeing this 1 person ruin it all. It's not going to be very good. So now you have to wait for a whole nother person. And these guys, seeing how, well, it wasn't really bad, but it's better than before, they're pretty happy. Seeing how unhappy these guys are, they're pretty happy with where they are. Now, if we, let's say we apply happiness points to everybody. All right, let's have everybody with the green smiles +1. Everybody who's indifferent, right, +0. Now, the reason I make him indifferent is because no matter where he goes, he's always stuck waiting for 2 people. Because there's always 2 here. He is the 5th wheel. No matter where he goes, there's always 2 people. So he's indifferent. Nothing really happens to him. Now, these guys, they're not pretty happy. So let's go -1 for both of these. Now, if we put it into a mathematical equation, we get 0 + 1 + 1, which is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. The total happiness level of this situation is 0. Now, if we go to the first scenario that I presented you guys with, we have 3 indifferent people and 2 happy guys. So we have +0, +0, +0, +1, +1. 0 + 0 + 0 is 0, but 0 + 1 is 1. 1 + 1 is 2, and so 2 equals 2. Total happiness equals 2 in this situation, without any variables changing. 2 is greater than 0. Moral of the story, just stay where you are instead of ruining everyone else's time, all right? Because you're indifferent, right? No matter where you go, you'll have the same sort of issue, all right? But it has a much bigger impact on the group you're going to. Thank you guys for watching my little rant. I happen to get into this situation a lot on a weekly basis, so I decided to talk about it a bit. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for now. Goodbye.